Every explanation makes sense until it doesn't. What is time really? If only I could dial up someone who actually lived this.
Hello, Einstein listening. How may I help you today?
Professor, what is time?
Give me a second. Time is the ordering of events. The way we say one moment follows another. It is like a river. Its flow is steady.
Hello, my name is Artur Tereshchenko. I am a full-stack developer based in Ottawa, and I am the creator of Time Travel Phone.
It's a vintage rotary phone with Raspberry Pi 4 inside. So you just pick up, dial a code, ask a question, get an answer in a character. The rotary dial and a hook switch are hardwired to the Raspberry Pi, so the phone tells the system when you leave the handset and which digits you dial. I repurposed a Samsung AKG earbud set. The earbud driver is an earpiece and the inline microphone is mounted in the mouthpiece. The idea is to make a phone call to your favorite figure from the past, ask a question and receive the answer in their style, character and knowledge. And here we see a dashboard that shows a full call. Whisper transcribes speech to a text. GPT OSS 20 generates the answer via vLLM, and Piper speaks it back, and the headset plays it. Next, more voices with phone numbers, fast interaction, better quality, better accuracy, stronger safety, and a portable demo for school and museums. For the source code, detailed hardware instructions and a full components list, visit my GitHub repository. I hope you enjoyed my little project. Thank you for your attention. Bye.